In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TradingView paper trading effectively, whether you're new to trading or just looking to hone your skills without financial risk. Paper trading offers an invaluable toolset for developing strategies and practicing execution in a simulated environment. Let's dive right in and start setting up your paper trading account. To begin, open a chart in TradingView. You'll find the Trading Panel tab conveniently located at the bottom of the screen. Clicking on this tab unveils several trading options. Look for the Paper Trading by TradingView option and select it. Then, click Connect. This step initializes your paper trading experience with a generous default balance of $100,000. It's noteworthy that you can reset this amount anytime you feel the need to do so. Next up, let's set up your trading account. Adjacent to the paper trading account in the panel, there is a small gear icon. Clicking on this allows you to customize your account settings. Here, you have the option to hit Reset Account and input your preferred balance. Say, for instance, you feel more comfortable practicing with a simulated $10,000 balance. This is also the place where you can adjust the leverage if you're planning to trade assets that support such modifications. Now, onto the exciting part, placing simulated trades. TradingView offers multiple methods to enter trades. You can utilize the buy and sell buttons that gracefully float near the chart corner for quick actions. Alternatively, right-click on the chart, navigate to Trade, and select Create New Order. This will open up an order ticket where you can choose between various order types, such as market, limit, or stop. You can also add crucial risk management tools, like stop loss and take profit levels. Once you have everything dialed in, submit the order, and you'll see it appear in the trading panel and on the chart itself, offering a clear overview of your trading activity. Managing your orders and positions is straightforward and intuitive. You have the freedom to modify, drag, or cancel orders directly on the chart. Furthermore, the trading panel keeps you informed with tabs displaying open positions, pending orders, and your trade history. A handy tip is using Ctrl+Alt+S on Windows or +Alt+S on Mac to capture screenshots with trade annotations, perfect for reviewing or sharing your setups. As you complete trades, it's vital to review your performance. The Account History and Trading Journal tabs become your best friends, providing insights into results, profit and loss, fees, and much more. Regularly examining this data helps identify your trading strengths and weaknesses, empowering you to refine your trading strategy progressively. Finally, practice responsibly. Even though it's simulated, treat this experience like real trading by maintaining realistic position sizing, adhering to market hours, and exercising diligent entry and exit disciplines. Remember, the goal is to simulate a real-world trading environment. Be cautious about resetting your account balance too frequently. Aim to do so only when embarking on a fresh strategy test. While paper trading doesn't fully replicate real-world dynamics like slippage, spread costs, or the emotional complexities of trading with real money, it remains an essential tool for building strong execution skills. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to mastering TradingView paper trading. Thank you for tuning in and happy